Do you think your Toyota Prius transmission called eCVT never needs servicing? That's one of the biggest myths about hybrid vehicles. Over time, the fluid breaks down and becomes contaminated with the metal particles. Ignoring this, it can lead to increased wear, reduced efficiency, and expensive transmission repairs. So as you can see, that's where the drain plug and that's the filler plug. This transmission fluid takes about 3 liters. Do not overfill it. And also, I'm gonna show another bolt that do not remove it. So this bolt here, do not remove. That's for the coolant on the hybrid system. So once you drain, use new drain plug gasket. That's where the fluid is. It came about 3 liters. And I use Toyota WS fluid, genuine fluid, and just pump up 3 liters. Don't fill until it's come out, just 3 liters enough. And that's it. So if you plan to keep the hybrid vehicle for a long time, do this maintenance at least every 60,000 kilometers. So if you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe to PrimeTech Automotive, and follow for more professional automotive repair tips in maintenance guides on my channel. Thanks.